What's going on, guys? I'm Zach with Nelly Security, and today is episode 3 of our series all about Uniview NVRs. We're going over all of the different apps that you can use to get the most out of your Uniview NVR. There are a lot of apps, so let's get started. So we're going to divide these apps into two groups, mobile and desktop. The first app in the mobile group is going to be UniEase. For those of you who have been with Uniview for a while or are just more familiar with their products and maybe their apps, this used to be called the Uniview Link User app. In my opinion, this is probably their most popular or mostly used app, as this can be used by installers and end users alike. So let's jump into the app and see what we've got. You'll need to create a login first, and then you'll see a landing page that has a tab section at the top for pinning useful shortcuts and navigating the app. Just below that, taking up the rest of the space, is a place to quickly add cameras and other devices. Scanning the QR code is the quickest and easiest way to add any devices to the app. There's a QR code at the bottom of your NVR and in the onboard interface under Maintenance System Info. Finally, the bottom of the screen has 4 tabs. Home, the landing page that we're currently on, Notifications, Metadata, and Profile. So Notifications has the log for alarms that have been triggered, and you can filter your search through this, and another tab for service-related messages. Metadata is where you can search through footage of triggered alarms, filtering by motor vehicle, non-motor vehicle, and human, or just search based on the time. Profile is where you can set up sharing management. This is if you have an O&M service provider, and it's an important step if you're an installer wanting to co-brand with the app. I made a video about co-branding last year, so I'm going to go ahead and link that video here, and so you can check that out to learn more about co-branding. So once your NVR is connected to the app, you're actually able to see all of the cameras connected to it. When you have a camera linked to the app, you can view it live. You can control any PTZ functions, and if it's supported by the camera, use your phone as a mic for two-way audio. So let's go ahead and jump into the other mobile app that you might use, especially if you're an installer. The app I'm talking about is UniTools Pro. This app has also undergone a recent name change. It used to be called Uniview Link Pro. So now it's just called UniTools Pro. There are a lot of similarities and shared capabilities between UniTools Pro and UniEase, so we'll kind of go over the differences here, but the main one is that you can manage multiple projects, which is super helpful if you're an installer. For managing projects, you can choose categories like office or apartment for the projects you're managing, and you can also initiate co-branding for your company on this side of things as well. A nice feature with this is that in the Video Config tab, you can choose Device or Channel Config. Device pulls up any cameras, and Channel pulls up any NVRs that are on the same network as you. Once you find the right device, it's just a simple login to be able to get control right from your phone. Great for walking onto an install that you've done previously and immediately getting to work. You can also update the software of these devices on your network through the Upgrade tab from this menu as well. Super convenient, saving time to have to jump into the web interface for each device. So let's talk about all the desktop apps that we can use for our NVRs. This is the app that I personally use the most, as I'm constantly looking for IP addresses for the Uniview cameras that are installed in our property. EZView only works with Uniview devices, but that is pretty standard for these applications. As long as the desktop that is running EZView is on the same network as the cameras that you're looking for, it'll pull up right away. You might need to hit the refresh button a few times though. From here, you can just grab those IP addresses, put them in your web browser, and take a look at the web interface. The next app we're going to talk about is EZStation 3.0. EZStation is Uniview's official video management software, or VMS, that makes it easy to monitor your NVR and cameras all in one convenient spot. What's great about this is you can actually manage multiple NVRs and multiple cameras in multiple locations. We have a video on the channel that Tyler did a little while back, so if you want to learn a little bit more about the EZStation 3.0, I'll put a link to that video as well. All right, so those are the main Uniview apps that you'll most likely use with your Uniview NVR. However, I'm going to do my due diligence and at least mention a few of the other apps that you can use. These are a little bit more specific, but I figured I'd cover these. And then in the future, I'm actually going to do a full in-depth video walking through every single Uniview app that is available currently. So if you find that you have some non-branded Uniview products, you're going to want to take a look at the Guard series apps. This doesn't have Uniview in the name or anything like that, but this is going to be for your non-branded Uniview products. Here you can see the Uniview and the non-branded Uniview app equivalents. Another app that you can use is UniArch Care. Now, this is going to be specifically for UniArch devices. UniArch is a group of Uniview products that are a little bit more budget friendly. It is cross-compatible though, so you're able to connect UniArch cameras to an app like UniEase, as well as Uniview cameras to the UniArch Care app. The same cross-compatibility works with the NVRs as well. So Uniview camera to UniArch NVR or UniArch camera to Uniview NVR. In that case, pick the app that matches the NVR. So a UniArch Care app for a UniArch NVR, or a UniEase app for a Uniview NVR. Another one that you might end up using is EZWall. This is a dedicated video wall software. If you have any further specific questions about which apps you should be using in which case, leave a comment down below or give our tech team a call. We're happy to help out anytime, and we've got a lot of knowledgeable folks on staff here. So that's it for episode 3 of the Uniview NVR series. Let us know if you have any comments or questions or concerns, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.